So in the last video, we learned about whether we should put methods inside constructors or should we put methods inside the constructor's prototype object. Now we're going to take a look at how JavaScript's built-in constructors handle that very same problem. Let's start with the array constructor. Array. Now, think about all of the array methods you know, such as map, filter, sum, every. Do you think those live on the constructor itself, or do they live on the prototype? Let's check. Remember, we can always check if a property is directly on an object or function with the .hasOwnProperty. So does it have map? No, it actually doesn't. But does its prototype have map? Yes, it does. Now, what does this mean? This means that any array we create can inherit from its prototype. Now, remember, the prototype of this array that we just made is the same as capital array.prototype. Again, since the array constructor constructed this array, it will set this array's prototype to its prototype, which is array.prototype. Now, does this mean the constructor itself has no method on it? Let's see. Array dot. And we see it actually does have some, such as length, right? And it gives you 1. Now, the reason that it's giving us 1 is because array is a function and it only takes in 1 argument. So if you do dot length on any functions, it will return the amount of arguments, okay? And then we can do array.hasOwnProperty length. Is that true? Yep, that is true. So if you look at this again, there's only a few methods, right? And they're all pretty straightforward. They all take either 1 argument or 2. But all of the complicated methods, such as map, which requires a callback function, filter, every, and so on, those live on the prototype. Okay, now let's take a look at our number constructor. What does number.prototype hold? Let's look at all of its methods. Here, we use this one a lot, toFixed, toExponential, .constructor, .toString, right? Now, what about the number constructor itself? Look, it has number.isNan, number.infinite, number.length. Number.length is also 1, right? Because the number function only takes in 1 argument. Okay, I hope that cleared up a few things. Let's move on.